You're lying sa interview when you said na you don't wear.
Ngayon lang naman yung si James na uso niya lang ganyan.
Yun nga, that's why I said, I'm not sure kung ganun ka pa rin or iba na. Just let it go.
Ayan, 6 na tayo, James.
Is it my turn?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Caught off guard.
Malalim yan or mababaw, okay lang yan.
I'm having a mental block right now.
Huwag mo lang kasing titigan. Meron ba siyang pet peeve? Ano bang pet peeve niya nila James?
This is kind of deep, I guess. She's terrible at making decisions. That's true.
Not all the time.
Please,
I'm just
I
undecided.
don't know what I want to eat.
Undecided.
Yeah, look that.
Oh.
Ano mo, tandaya mo. Were you terrible at making decisions? Were you undecided?
Me?
Me.
Ayan, ikaw naman, accept natin yung 6 na yun, Nadine.
He's a cat person.
Define cat person. Mas
I'm a cat person.
talaga. Why you love cats?
I think,
More chill.
yeah, I'm more like a cat.
So you should be
Sabi ko na
J
lang.
cat. Not J-Wolf.
The cats are
Oh no, why is your Instagram J-Wolf? If you're a cat, but hindi James Cat.
That's a good point.
Diba?
J cat.
No, the wolf means something else. But I like cats. They're like they don't go seeking attention and they're just chill. They sleep all day.
Ayan. Alam niyo na pag nagbago siya James
Well, we
Cat,
understand,
alam niyo. Alright, 6 all. Last